My clients love Villas North and Northbrook. Let me show you why. Welcome to Villas North, a quiet Northbrook community built between 1979 and 1986. Here you'll find primarily single-level ranch villas with open floor plans, attached garages, and even basements, perfect for downsizers and empty nesters who want comfort and convenience. Many homes feature peaceful pond views and quiet streets, making it a great spot for morning walks or simply enjoying the neighborhood's calm setting. Located just south of Lake Cook Road and west of Sanders, Villas North sits on the west side of Northbrook, close to parks, golf, and easy highway access. Recent sales here range from the mid-$500 to over $700,000. It's quiet, it's convenient, and it's community. I'm Caroline Gau with Real Broker. If you're curious about Villas North, let's connect.